Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with GitLab using two-factor authentication, full guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with GitLab using two-factor authentication, start by logging into your GitLab account. Navigate to your profile settings by clicking on your avatar in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. In the left sidebar, find and click on Account. Scroll down to the To begin setting up, click on the Enable Two-Factor Authentication button. You will be presented with a QR code. Open your preferred authenticator app on your mobile device. Using your app, scan the QR code displayed on your screen. Once scanned, your app will generate a 6-digit code. Enter this code back into the provided field in GitLab. Click on the Register button to confirm. After successfully enabling two-factor authentication, download the recovery codes displayed. Store these recovery codes in a safe place for future use. Now, log out of GitLab and attempt to log back in. Input your username and password as usual. After logging in, you will be prompted to enter a verification code. Open your Authenticator app again to retrieve the current 6-digit code. Enter the verification code into the GitLab prompt. Click on the Verify button to complete the authentication process. You have now successfully set up two-factor authentication on GitLab. For future logins, remember to use the Authenticator app to get your verification code. If you lose access to your Authenticator app, use the recovery codes you saved earlier. This completes your guide to authenticating with GitLab using two-factor authentication. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.